Hello and welcome to Quick Charge by Electrek, keeping you in the fast track with daily Tesla and electric vehicle news. I'm Mikey G, and it's Monday, November 28th. 9th. It's the 9th. Tesla is rumored to finally get a green light to start production at Gigafactory Berlin. Germany's Automobile Watch reported, quote, Tesla will start series production in its Gigafactory in Grünheim in December. The start of Gigafactory was originally planned for July of 2021, but was delayed due to lack of environmental permits. The approval of the Brandenburg State Office for Environment is now expected to take place in the coming days. Now, further in the report, it states that production will slowly start in December, and Tesla aims to ramp up to around 1,000 units per week by January. They also claim that Tesla recently produced 5 validation units of the Model Y. Tesla has started using a new AMD chip in the Model Y vehicles in China after moving to AMD for the new Model S. Across the industry, automakers have been struggling to secure computer chips for inside cars, and Tesla uses them both for the entertainment unit, such as this AMD chip, and also their own made self-driving computer system chip. At first, Tesla was partnering with NVIDIA. It looks like they moved to Intel, and then now they are moving to AMD. Tesla has withdrawn an application for $1 billion in subsidies for battery production at Gigafactory Berlin. After the news came out, Elon Musk made a comment that suggested that Tesla withdrew the application because it doesn't want government subsidies. Of course, there's more to the story. The Financial Times went into the details of the program and found a clause that might be the reason for the withdrawal. Companies are not eligible for the funds if they have already deployed the same battery production at another plant. Of course, batteries have already been rolling off the lines at Fremont, Austin, and Shanghai. Tesla plans to invest almost $200 million to expand Gigafactory Shanghai. Tesla filed with the local government for the expansion, and they plan to hire around 4,000 more people. The news comes as Tesla announced on their Chinese social media page that they began deliveries of the performance Model Y in China. The factory is increasingly becoming a major part of Tesla operations, both for the Chinese market and also international exports. The automaker also plans to eventually produce a $25,000 electric car designed and engineered in China, but that project is still a few years out. A Tesla Model S Plaid has become the first Tesla, or perhaps the first production vehicle, to hit an 8-second quarter mile. The run was achieved earlier this month at the Maryland International Raceway during Hot Rod Magazine's Drag Week. The vehicle included some basic modifications, such as drag wheels and tires and removing the passenger seat. With those modifications, George and Christine Dodworth were able to achieve 8.994 second time, coming in at 155.1 miles per hour. Tesla has unveiled the first new track-ready accessory kit for the Model S Plaid, a carbon ceramic brake kit. This is expected to be the first of several new performance features and accessories coming out for the Model S Plaid, as the automaker is now positioning it as the flagship sedan. The vehicle has become popular for breaking records at tracks across the world, and it's now found in the hands of enthusiasts ready to pay the big bucks. The brake kit costs $20,000 on top of the vehicle price. BMW announced that it delivered the very first BMW i4 electric car to a customer at the event at their headquarters. When BMW launched the i3 back in 2013, it had EV enthusiasts excited for the future of BMW's electric vehicles. And now, 8 years later, the sedan is offered in different versions, with the battery pack having a capacity of 83.9 kilowatt hours, enabling what BMW says is 300 miles of range based on BMW's own estimates. The vehicle also has a significant DC fast charging capacity of up to 205 kilowatts. BMW says that the i4 will start at $56,395 in the US when it launches next year. Nissan has announced a new electrification plan. In more severe terms than BMW, Nissan had a big head start in electrification, but has since disappointed with the company's direction. Nissan launched the Leaf electric vehicle 10 years ago, but has only recently announced their follow-up, a compact SUV that's coming fall of next year. Their new plan, called Ambition 2030, outlines their target of sales. Nissan wants to sell 75% electrified vehicles in Europe, 55% in Japan, 40% in China, and they want to reach 40% electric vehicle sales in the US by 2030 and a 50% electrified mix globally by the same year. Nissan didn't specify the term electrified for its actual vehicle sales, or if this also includes hybrids or fuel cell vehicles. To enable the switch toward electrification, Nissan will invest 2 trillion yen, which amounts to $17.6 billion, into the related programs and battery production. Mercedes-Benz announced the start of sales for its new EQB compact electric SUV, and they price the new vehicle at around $50,000 in Europe. It's a slightly bigger compact SUV than the EQA, and it's aimed at competing in a popular segment against the Model Y and Mustang Mach-E. The first deliveries are expected soon, and official U.S. pricing should follow. Also, Mercedes teased their upcoming hyper-efficient electric car with over 1,000 kilometers of range, using just a profile photo of the front lines. The vehicle is still in the concept phase, but Mercedes says that they plan to use the development tech in a production vehicle. Today's community comment comes from Stephen Gooley, who says he's excited for his GM Hummer EV. And I want to ask, are you actually getting a Hummer EV, Stephen? I'm not personally getting one. The vehicle is a bit more use than I would utilize in my regular life. We've got the old family truck at our disposal and we use it maybe 300 miles a year. In a couple years, we'll be in the market for a new vehicle, probably one of the EV crossovers that are coming out now. Not sure which one, though. Thanks for watching Quick Charge by Electrek. We also have an audio version on your favorite podcast player. I'm Mikey G, and I hope you have a great day.